Hello everyone, welcome back to CCI Education. I am Anshika Bhatnagar, your own biology teacher. So we have discussed about hypothalamus and pituitary gland in our previous videos. Today we are going to discuss about the largest endocrine gland, that is thyroid gland. See, do you know where there is a butterfly present inside our neck? Not actually a butterfly, but a gland that is in the shape of butterfly. That gland is known as thyroid gland. It is present at the base of your neck. It is present at the base of your neck. It is bilobed in structure. Bilobed means there are two lobes of it, that is right lobe and left lobe. It is connected by isthmus. This portion is known as isthmus, where right lobe and left lobe are connected. It enlarges in female, and it is larger in females, and it enlarges further during the pregnancy and menstruation. It produces three hormones. First one is T3, that is also known as triiodothyroid. Second one is T4, that is also known as thyroxine, and third one is calcitonin. So as we discussed, there are three types of hormones of thyroid gland only, that is T3, T4 and calcitonin. Let us see their functions. First one, the functions of T4 and T3 are there. First one is growth. Growth के लिए they are very important. Second one is regulation of body temperature. हमारी body का जो temperature है वो भी कौन regulate करते हैं? These T3 and T4 hormone. Metabolic activities like your basal metabolic rate. Right, so it regulates the basal metabolic rate, plus it regulates the fat, carbohydrate and protein metabolism in our body as well. Fourth one is it affects the fetal development. The fetus होता है उसका development भी affect करते हैं. Fifth is the maturation of bone, skeletal system and nervous system in central nervous system को भी का भी maturation कौन करता है? T4 and T3. Last हमने देखा था calcitonin is also there. So calcitonin helps to regulate blood calcium level. Blood में जो हमारा calcium level होता है उसको कौन regulate करता है? Calcitonin regulate करता है. As thyroid secretes several hormones also, there are certain disorders that are also caused due to thyroid. First one is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which thyroid gland is secreted in a very low amount. There is the deficiency of thyroid due to the deficiency of iodine in the body. See, thyroid gland basically works on the intake of iodine only. जितना हम iodine खाते हैं उसके basis पर thyroid gland क्या होता है? Secrete होता है. ज़्यादा खाते हैं iodine, ज़्यादा intake है body में iodine का, तो thyroid gland क्या होगा? ज़्यादा thyroxine को secrete करेगा. अगर कम है तो कम secrete करेगा. This is the condition which is known as hypothyroidism, जिसमें intake भी कम होता है और thyroid जो hormone है, थायराइड ग्लैंड है उसका जो सिक्रीशन है, हार्मोन है उसका सिक्रीशन क्या होता है? कम हो जाता है. सेकेंड वन इज हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म. नाम से ही पता लग रहा है ज़्यादा सिक्रीशन होता है किसका? थायराइड ग्लैंड का. और क्या कॉज कर सकता है ये? मतलब जो किसकी वजह से हो सकता है? excessive intake of iodine in the body. थर्ड वन इज थायराइड नोड्यूल्स. थायराइड नोड्यूल्स मीन्स लम्प्स बन जाते हैं हमारे थायराइड ग्लैंड में, और वो क्या कॉज करते हैं? प्रॉब्लम कॉज करते हैं किसी भी ह्यूमन के लिए. कॉजेज हमने देख लिए कि आयोडीन की डेफिशिएंसी होती है. एक्सेसिव आयोडीन इंटेक की वजह से क्या होता है? थायराइड डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट विच डिसीज इज कॉज ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ आयोडीन. Thanks for watching. I hope it is a fruitful session for all of you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next gland, that is adrenal gland.